Wow, this place is amazing. I can't believe I just bought a whole another meal there. I literally was meant to just buy some fucking vegetables and rice, but how can you not? Like, look at it. It's just amazing. Absolutely amazing. I need to stop going to that expensive restaurant, as nice as it is. Like, these places are just amazing. How much is that, sir? 70. So that's €3.50. That's £3, man. Wow. Thank you so much. How are you? You good? Good. Do you work in this one?
Yeah.
Ah, nice. It looks very nice.
Yeah.
So I haven't told you guys. Yeah, I'm. So assuming I get my fucking contract, like we started this process on Friday, they've ignored my messages all day today. It's like 2 p.m. now. It's a Sunday now. So yeah, my plan is to go to Densapar tomorrow, but I've also fucked up. I haven't printed off my visa, and obviously all the printing shops are closed on a Sunday. And now, Fayad, my event boy, my beautiful, beautiful event boy, lives the next town over, like kind of in between here and there. So it's kind of on the way back, but you know, a bit to the left. So I've said, do you want me to come over? Well, he texted me today saying I miss you. I mean, you know, who knows? Maybe he's fishing for more money. Like, I'm sure, obviously, he wants more money, but you know, I do think he likes me as well. I said, well, actually, I'm in your. Oh, I asked him if he was near Densapar, and he was like, yeah. I was like, well, I'm in your neck of woods tomorrow, so if he wants me to come over and lick your bumhole and stick my penis in it, then we shall. So I bought this ages ago, and it's just been in my fridge. And it's so good. It's like that. I mean, obviously, it's full of sugar, but it's like that Fentimans range in England. And I can't remember how much it cost, but needless to say, it was really cheap. Yeah, you know, I still really like these guys that I'm staying with, the hosts. But they're trying it on. Like, first the son was like, so when you sign the contract, you pay the rest, going against the agreement, which I told you the other day. Now the dad's just still the same. And I'm like, no, so I have changed. I've agreed to change the agreement, no problem. But I was like, I'm not paying until I've got my visa. Like, it's just cheeky, man. It's just going against the agreement. I just hate it. Anyway, it's so noisy. Like, I can't tell you. It's not coughing. It's like hacking. Like, blah, blah, blah. But it's really weird because they're not ill. You know what I think it is? I think it's how they communicate. I think, like, you know, I don't think they have much communication. I think there's an element of this, like, because they're both doing it. It's like they feel silence with coughing and hacking. There's more than that. Like, they are. I think they're also purging. But it's weird because they're clearly not ill. You know, they haven't got snotty nose or anything. Which the level of coughing and hacking that's going on, like, it's weird. There's something weird going on where they're mirroring each other in some way. Anyway, I want to take this speaker back. I just want to swap it. I don't want my money back. Because every minute it cuts out for a second. And it's really annoying when you're listening to music. Or anything, but particularly music. Or a meditation. It's really shit. Hello, is your son here? Good, he's the one I want to speak to. I just asked where he was. Yes. Yeah. Inglés, that's right, yep. Yes, problem. He must be doing a big shit. Big poo! Here he is, the main man. Did you have a good shit, brother? Good shit? Right, so, just turn it down. Yeah, so, right, every 1 or 2 minutes, for 1 second, it cuts out. So I'm listening to music and it's stopped only for 1 second, but it's very annoying.
Maybe the battery?
No, it's fully charged. There's something wrong with it. I want you to swap it for me. So when especially, well, I haven't used it with my phone, but I have it with my laptop, and so I'm listening to a meditation or music, and there's 1 second every minute where it cuts out.
Stop.
Yeah, not stop. It doesn't switch off. But it stops making sound for 1 second every minute, or maybe 2 minutes. It just did it then. Your dad just tested it and it just did it.
Yeah.
So yeah, maybe if we just swap it over.
Hah? Tidak juga ya?
And also I want to buy something else.
Mana kata?
Is it a problem you've had before, or you think it's just this one?
I think just this one.
Okay, good.
Yeah, because so many products from the company.
I like it. It's really good, except for that. If it wasn't for that, I think it's great. The sound is good. Everything's good.
Let's try.
But it cuts out.
Coba lagi kok. Coba. Ada delaynya dikit.
Tidak dong.
Tidak dikit.
So we're going to test the new one. It's looking like they are going to swap it. I wonder if it's because I'm a YouTuber or if this is just what they do. Oh, wrong one! I don't want that one. Oh, it's nice music, isn't it? To test it out with. Nice and relaxing. To be fair, if I was playing that music, I'd be more than happy if it's cut out. Oh! Oh, much nicer music. Good.
You know?
No, I don't think so. I feel like I recognise the voice. Who is it?
Yeah. Siapa ini? Henry Moody.
No, I don't know them, no. It is actually really nice.
Okay, play one. Play this.
Yeah, it seems okay, but
I think this one is more better.
yeah, the other one was okay for a minute or two and then it would stop.
If you have problem again, you can come back.
Okay,
One
thank
month
you.
warranty.
Oh, okay, I really appreciate that. Oh, that one's even smaller. So it's just saying, but my cover is a bit too big.
Yeah,
it doesn't
too big.
quite fit in perfectly, but
Be careful because the cover is more bigger from the
yeah, I understand.
backboard.
Yeah, thank you for your honesty, but I think it will be okay. Like, yeah, it's okay. It's fine. Yeah, I'll take that.
Okay.
Brilliant. Yes, I hear no stops. It seems very good. Thank you for your amazing service. Yeah,
If you
just
have
brilliant.
problem again,
Say that again. If I have problem again.
if you have problem, you can come back.
That's amazing.
I give you the new one again.
So as we said, this is the place. He's proved it again. If you want any YouTubing or phone or anything accessories, these guys will really look after you. Very, very good. Thanks, guys.
1 week, alright?
I think 4 days.
4 days, yeah.
Yeah, 4 days. But I didn't use it for 2 days. I only started using it 2 days ago, and then I noticed it yesterday. I was like, hang on a minute, this keeps stopping. Why is it stopping? So I'm doing a meditation, and I'm like, you know, going into sleep, and then it stops, and it's like, you know,
Oh, yeah. Ya. Oh, nggak ada plastik ya? Ada plastik nggak? Oh, nggak ada. Oh, ini ya.
Yeah, give me the old packaging. Good idea.
Because have plastic,
Yes.
I can change in the company.
Brilliant. Yeah. Good thinking. Great. Excellent service. Thank you so much, brother. It's in my pocket.
Oh, okay.
Everything's good. See you soon. Thank you. More beautifully dressed ceremonial ladies. There's ceremonies and dancing going everywhere in Newburgh. What a beautiful environment. What a beautiful place. Such happy people everywhere. I'm doing short clips in case it's copyrighted. Sorry about that, but I'm sure you still get the feel. But the joy these people live with, the connection, I just love it. It's such an amazing place. Wow. I think it's the same. It's hard to know unless you listen to music. I'll get some music on. But I'm sure Bentinho just puts out in. I think it might be alright. We just got through a whole song. Oh, that'd be such good news. Should be more like this and that than is truth of it all. I am not what you say I am. So we have a contract. So tomorrow we're driving to densapar. I need to print off my visa. I was going to print it today, but it's a Sunday, so everywhere's closed. So unless I set off early and then just get it printed in densapar, maybe I do that, yeah. Yeah, that would be a good idea, actually.
Oh, this doggy's so funny, aren't you, Toby? Yeah, you're so funny. So funny, so silly, but so funny.
5 October.
That's
And then
yeah.
until 9 November.
perfect.
Yeah,
Perfect.
yes, November. Oh, this one.
There, yeah. And that's your address.
Yes.
Amazing, thank you so much. And it's in Indonesian, is it? Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
that's
in
Indonesian.
Perfect, perfect.
I already take picture here.
I
I
really
trust you.
appreciate your help.
I
Yeah,
trust
yeah.
you. Yeah, after the
You can
take
trust
visa, yeah.
Of course. Alright, so I think in his head, he feels like if he's giving me the contract, it means that I could stay here for free without paying him. Maybe it's not that they're trying it on, maybe it's a misunderstanding of what this means, or not a misunderstanding, a different perspective on what this means. Because to me that's bizarre. It's like, I trust you, like, if I don't pay you, you kick me out whether I've got a fucking contract or not. Like, to me contracts mean nothing, they're just, you know, satanic rituals. But I guess to him it means a lot more, maybe. Yeah, that's really what it is. Oh, we've got a visitor. I love having a lizard in my room, because he'll eat all the muzzies. Welcome, Mr. Lizard.